Greetings, this is Ms. Mendoza with a quick tutorial on how to get to Flexpoint from Schoology. You're going to click on your courses on one of your classes and check under materials. You should see some folders, and in those folders are your coursework from Flexpoint. You will see different lessons. This first folder has our welcome folder with course information and lessons. So let's take a look. Our first one is getting started, and it's going to have some information. Click the X on the right hand side to exit. And when you click the arrows, that's when you can open the folders. So here are some of the things in the course information. So please take a moment to take a look through them. So we're back in materials. You have a getting started folder. A collaboration folder. And this is all the introduction of the course. And in this red folder, you will see the first module. And this is the actual information, assessments. Here's a sample of a first lesson that comes with a checklist of the lessons, the points possible, and the estimated time. You can print that out. You click on the arrows to go to the next page or back, right? Here's another sample. And this one comes with a video lesson, and you will see a video link, and it's clickable. You can click on the video, and the video is going to have information on the lesson you are taking that day. You have notes. And there's a glossary that you can take a look at. But coming back to the notes, there's a video lesson that shows you how to take proper Cornell notes. So make sure to take a look at those. On the right hand side of your main Schoology page, you will see a calendar with your assignments. Please make sure to use this to submit your work. Once again, this was Ms. Mendoza with a tutorial on how to use Schoology to access Flexpoint and be able to submit your assignments. Thank you and have a wonderful day.